Today, I'll show you how to run Android apps on your PC. To start off, open your browser and search for Bluestacks. Click on the first result from www.bluestacks.com. Click on Download Bluestacks 10 or the latest version available. Press Ctrl+J to view your downloads or open your downloads folder. Click on the downloaded file to launch the installer. Click on Install Now. Agree to the terms and conditions. The installer will run some downloads. This might take some time depending on your internet speed. After installation is complete, the Bluestacks engine will launch automatically. You can now browse for Android apps or games that you wish to run on your PC. You can also go to the search bar and type in the name of the app. After getting the results, click on Install on App Player. Some apps will redirect you to the Google Play Store. You sign into your Google account and use the Play Store like on your Android app. You can now enjoy your favorite Android apps and games on your PC. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing tech insights.